Okay, today's Toncoin price is $1.46. Yesterday was $1 for 53, 52, 50, 51, 54, 48, and 47, 46, and now is $1.46. Bitcoin is 86,500, almost 600. Ethereum is 2,800. BNB is 830. XRP Ripple is $1.83. USDC stablecoin is $1. Solana is 122. TRX Tron is 27 cents. Dogecoin is 12 cents. ADA Cardano is 33 cents. Link is $12. Monero is 428. LTC Litecoin is $75. DAI is stablecoin $1, and Pax Gold is 4,341. KCS KuCoin is $10.33. Polygon is 10 cents. Algorand is 11 cents, and Atom is $1.89. Filecoin is $1.20, and Dash is 37.66 cents. So what is your prediction for tomorrow? Will the price go down or up? Let me know in the comments.